In this video, we take you through a few ways that will help to find your missing channels. Before we go through the steps, if you're seeing an error message due to signal loss, or if you're experiencing error 002 or 015, you probably have something obstructing your satellite. Now, let's check that your service is active. If your service has been temporarily suspended, you will need to update your account status on your MyBell profile. To check your favorites guide, let's make sure that the guide is set to All Channels, or All-Chan view. To ensure that you are on All-Chan, press on the guide button on your Bell remote. You'll see which favorites list your receiver is currently set to underneath the date and time on top of your TV screen. To set your receiver to All-Chan, press the guide button repeatedly until the channel comes up. There's also another way to make sure you're not missing channels. Let's go through how to synchronize your programming with a few simple steps. This requires you to log in to the MyBell app. Once you've logged in, along the bottom, tap Services, then tap on your TV account. Scroll down until you see More Options. Click on Synchronize Your Channels to start the process. You can also call us to have the automated system that's available 24/7 to perform these steps for you by simply entering the telephone number associated with your Bell TV service. It could take a few minutes for the channels to appear. Another method that may recover your channels is to reset your receiver. This may resolve some issues and refresh your content and software. Reset your receiver by holding the power button on the front of your receiver for 5 to 8 seconds. Another reason you might not have access to a channel is if you've had a free preview. Free previews are for a limited time. If you want to add that channel to your program, you can simply do so by changing your programming on your MyBell profile. For more support, visit bell.ca/support or connect with our community forum at bell.ca/forum.